I'm watching you. Keep your eyes closed. Just waiting. Your hand?
Two hands.
Two hands. The other hand.
Like this. There you go. Yeah.
What is that?
Marble Tower Dinosaur.
Marble Tower Dinosaur.
Yay!
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Let's open it. Okay, give me your hand, baby. Surprise!
Wow!
What's this?
It's a toy.
It's a slime.
It's a slime. It's a slime. Open it.
Yes, baby. Let's open it.
Red. Hold on. It's orange.
Blue.
This color too. And this one.
Which one's your favorite?
Look.
What's that?
What? I put it flying.
Is that an astronaut? And an ice cream?
Look.
It's a cherry.
I can do it.
You can do it. Come on. Take out the slime.
What?
Wow.
Hey, do you want to put this one?
Okay, Baba. Do it again. It's so stretchy.
Look, help me.